Hi guys, today we're going to install the carbon fiber style door handle covers for Toyota RAV4. We have a set of 4 pieces, all of them will go on top of the original handles like that, and they are being held with 3M tape to hold them in place. When you install these door handles, we recommend to use the isopropyl alcohol to degrease the surface on the original handle. Just make sure it's all clean and there is no grease or dirt when you install the handles. Now we can remove the film on our double-sided tape inside the handle, and by the way, you can also install additional pieces of tape, for example in these areas, and this way it should hold even better. Another recommended step is to use a heat gun. In this case we are using the wireless Makita. This way it will ensure that the tape heats up and it will bond properly with the surface. When you use a heat gun, you don't have to wait for too long. This one is pretty strong. It warms up the tape very fast, and this is enough. And now I will put it on top of the original handle. Apply some pressure, make sure it sticks properly, hold it for a few seconds like this. Pretty much our installation of the handle is complete. This is the driver's door and we have another handle installed. As you can see, this one actually has an opening for the key, and in case of this vehicle, because this one doesn't have the smart key, there is no opening here, but you can actually get a set with the opening for the button for vehicles with the smart key system as well. Alright guys, another look. This is the front door handle, and here we have the rear door handle. Looks very nice. And by the way, we also have this fuel tank door cover installed as well. It matches the handles, same carbon fiber style. And if you guys are interested, I will leave the links for both products in the description. They're both available at CarTrimHome. Again, one more look. I guess that's it for our installation. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these products, as I said, check out the link in the description, and we will see you in the next video.